Let's have a look on the question. It is given that y is directly proportional to x. When x equals 8, y equals 4. A. Find the variation constant. From the question, y is directly proportional to x. So that means y is directly proportional to x. So then we will have this equation. Connecting x and y equals k times x, where k is not equal to 0. So k is the variation constant that we are finding now. The question says when x equals 8, y equals 4. So we can substitute this order pair into the equation to find k. Four is equal to k times 8. So k will be 4 over 8, which is 1 over 2. Remember, we have to answer the question. So we have to say, therefore, the variation constant is 1 over 2. Part A, we're done. Part B, draw the graph of y against x for x in between 0 and 12 on the graph paper below. Let me do it on the left-hand side. I have already drawn the coordinate plane. Okay, so we have got x-axis, y-axis, and the origin. Now we have to draw the graph. Okay, from this equation, y equals, from part A, we have got y equals kx, which is y equals 1 over 2 times x. Okay, if you want to draw a straight line, we have to find 2 points. From the question, we have got the first point. When x equals 8, y equals 4. So let us mark the first point. When x is 8, y is 4. The first point, and we still have to find one more point. Let's look back the equation. Y equals 1 over 2 times x. So let's say maybe when x is 0, what is y? Y will be 1 over 2 times 0, which is 0. So that means 0, 0 is also a point. Then, now we can mark the origin, 0, 0. Now we have got 2 points. Then we can connect the 2 points to draw the straight line. Remember, we only draw the graph for x equals 0 to x equals 12, because this is a reflection from the question. Okay, part B, we are done. Part C, find the values of P, Q, and R in the following table. So, part C. When P is 2, Y is 2. No, when X is P, Y is 2. So we can find the value of P by looking the graph. When X is P, Y equals 2. So when Y is 2, let me use a ruler. When Y is 2, the corresponding X value will be 4, right? So that means P will be 4. Then we can write in this way from the graph. since when x equals 2, no, when x equals 4, y equals 2, that means p is equal to 4. Okay, the next one, when x is 10, y is q. Okay, so let's have a look. When x is 10, the corresponding y value will be 5, right? So that means q will be 5. When x is 10, y is 5. So that means q is equal to 5. The last one, when x is equal to 26, y is equal to r. So this times, can we find the value of r by just looking at the graph? We cannot. Why? Because the graph only shows the values of x from x equals 0 to x equals 12. But now we have got x equals 26. That means we cannot find the corresponding y value by just looking at the graph. What should we do? We can substitute this order pair into the equation to find out r. So by substituting x equals 26 and y equals r into our equation, y equals 1/2 times x, then we have got r is equal to 1/2 times 26, which means r is equal to 13. So now we are done.